So yes, my people, what go on? Uncle Curly run out pan Chynn. Uncle Curly run out pan our niece Chynn, questioning what a lot of other people are also questioning. Cause me soon all in my comment section, about 2 hours in my comment section. One are being sarcastic and the next one, just say it as it is. Because their question is out here that we are hypocritical, we are biased, because they're saying that we are not going after the woman of Portland. We are this up with auntie and with this and with that and with mother, whatever them want to call Dana. But, you people are just so limited here that you don't have any understanding, on a lack of understanding. Plus, some of you just definitely want the real hardcore cussing. When would I come out here and say, well, they are in juice, this, that. Yes. That you want, the real hardcore cussing. You don't know when a person being diplomatic and intelligent in getting the message across. That's what with Uno used to the everyday people coming out here. Where your body dirty? Where your foot stink? Yes, there. Yeah. That Uno used to. Uno used to the intelligent and diplomatic way. I have done about 2 to 3 videos pertaining to this. But because I do it into a diplomatic way, Uno can't see it because up here so limited. And this is why Uno come out and Uno say this and Uno say that. Because you expect me to come out and say drops and go loud and ignorant and dark and fool. It don't pertain in a sense where me even want to give the person a highlight. Because I know that is what the person need, and that's what the person I look forward for. For people to come out here and go at her so she can come back out one at us. To create what Uno claim to say she must now make money. So I choose to go the diplomatic way. Not saying she can't come, but the back and forth and the way I don't hint to that. I'm not going to contribute towards her earnings in that way. No, I'm not going to do it. But do me have to do in a 2 or 3 video dissecting 2 or 3 somebody video pertaining to the situation. And I do it diplomatic and intelligent. Who knows and have a good capability of, when I always use the word, I say process what I am saying, would understand what I am saying. But if you just listen and it apply to you, so you're not going to understand. So, I'm going to read a comment here. I don't know if one of them gone, 2 of them did have and 1 gone. Speak my mind. How comes you don't speak my mind? Or you don't dedicate a show for the woman of country? The name is there. I notice all you bloggers want Ashanti alone and Pinky for real doing it. How comes? You know what I read again? Speak my mind. How comes you don't dedicate a show for Eric? Me go for call all the woman name. I notice all you bloggers want Ashanti alone and Pinky for real doing it. How comes? Listen me. And listen me out. And listen me carefully. There's a lot of other things out here, a lot of other people out here that have been saying things, and I choose not to give them any highlights. There's a lot of other people out here saying things, and I find no interest in it. Why you don't come out and highlight those people who have been saying things and I have not highlight or speak of or talk about it? Why you highlight this? Me have to wonder if you come from over the side there or you support Marcia, because when Marcia come at Chynn for is actually the same thing Marcia come at Chynn for, Because she are saying, oh, Chynn come out, come defend that, and what Chynn say about she mind her own bungle, and if she ever trouble Chynn, so oh, Chynn up going after her business and one bag of sitting. So this is a thing where platform holders say, and support, as I say. So me I wonder which level you know depend. Which level? Because, as me say, because I don't come out here come loud up and cuss. Listen, this person is not somebody I am afraid of. And if you are watching me or anybody who are watching me, know that. If you remember the first time when she called me out of my bed before day, when I couldn't even go back to sleep because my time for morning come out to come deal with the case. Me did back down? No. But the thing is, although me she talk about, I did not go toe to toe with her either. Me just come address her sore, dress her chop, and do everything and put on the bandage and send her out the road like a dog with a flea. Or up manger, you throw the oil pan him to get off the flea and the manger and him run up and down in the dirt. And I just that me do. Let her go and make she go on. And I just so it done. You understand? Until she come again with the same thing with my title. When me title my video, where the first time my video never have nothing to do with disrespecting her or anything. It was a video about Ashanti. When I put up her gloves and whatsoever. Somebody me don't remember how it go. And she take and I see him some title a video recently couple months ago. And she come out again. And the title of the video have nothing to do with disrespecting her or saying what she are saying. But this is just the type of person she is. She want to tell you how to title your video, what you say in your video, what you put up on your thumbnail. When she do fear things, nobody tells her nothing, she do what she want to do. And the same thing what she tell you must do, are the same thing she do. Because even recently, the recent one where she come and talk about my title, just a few days before, I must say after, I see she put up a video with Dana and how she titled the video. It even worse than how me the title my video, because it's like she had direct whatever to Dana. When me the title my video, never direct nothing to she. You understand? So when me see these people and know say boy XYZ, I don't give them no time of the day like that, man. Them come say something and I feel like say something and answer them. Me just say it and that's it. Me not on the toe-to-toe back and forth with the same argument. If you want me to argue with you, come with something different again. But on the same line and same track, now take the same train and go to Savlamar. I want to take one where I go a Montego Bay now. So if you want me come back at you, go on the train where I go to Montego Bay, because I don't explore Savlamar already. I want to go Montego Bay now. Maybe I book up on the Montego Bay train. Or I book up on the one where I go to Chilani. So when you come out here, going like, when you feel like, say boy, you can't come tell people what to do. You left it up to Pinky, Farid alone and Ashanti. Cool too. Anyway, people, we are jumping in that video with Marcia. Going at Chynn as myself for the same reason when me talk about yes or no. Because they expect us to come out here and just Marcia said we are not no defender and she look help from Planka, you know. Cause she from what they she ball for help bad. Drowning man catch off a straw. Must support the rest of channel them when now come out against the woman of Portland, because as I say, you know, she get caught between a rock and a hard place, you know. Because she like what happen where the woman of country do to Dana, you know, but at the same time she doesn't like the woman of country. You understand? So she get caught between a rock and a hard place. Because she love what is going on towards Dana. But who do it, she don't even like them either. So you understand what I say to you. So we're gonna jump into the video, so you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV and TikTok. Alright? And remember, continue to support the merch and the website of Charms and Trends. I have 2 hectic mountains in front of me. So I beg you, don't know the back to school and I want the little school fee give back to the 3 basic school kids. Plus you don't know the whole mountain adapter program give back is also I go fall in them the time they took. So I want to just support the merge and support the website of Charms and Trends and continue to watch the ads and support the channel. Alright? So we are getting to the video right away. As you can see behind me, people, the time is a little bit windy, so just check out and listen carefully.
How are you people doing? You know me, I'm saying a lingo. Dirty, stinking big pussy Chynn over there. Me pass over YouTube, me see you write up my name for a headline. Oh, my hobby I work. Of course, my hobby is working. My hobby man is called Jesus Christ from Nazareth. He said nothing last swear about salvation. Yes, my hobby is working. Very much so. And I didn't have to pay no red cent. Because Jesus sit high and look low. Dirty girl. And shame your blood clot shame. Because you know say you're one of the biggest hypocrite out here. But now ask Christ. You're one of the biggest hypocrite out here. When it comes to talk about that woman. All you come up here to get money to soap your big thinking cunt under your foot.
Man, say not tell nobody about soap. Cause remember when doctor soap your one with needle and it bust out back. Your one bust right out back, man. So not tell nobody about soap. Right now is a one big whooping spot underneath you. Your front bust out in your. You understand? So not tell nobody about Anna and a cunt with soap on them sitting there. Cause your one bust out in a all in one. One big whooping space. Not even shut a door where you can cover your one. And you have them double shutter there where from one side of the house to probably down at the window there so. Where you have them big double shutter there where them can put up two shutter in a one. And not even that can cover back your front. Oh.
Oh no, cause you always criticize and say certain things. And you know some blood clot better than the girl any day. In a face, ear, body, every blood clotting.
Hold on,
so
man.
you big pussy Chynn.
I want to find that phone and picture there. Make a look.
You not good. You is one of her biggest hypocrites.
Hold on the people. As she said she look better than a girl any day because so she has style than her. People. Alright, me I show you a picture. This picture is from 2016. Dana Marie go this. 2016 this picture is from. Dana repost it on her picture. On her Instagram page. Look on Dana coordination of dressing and color right here, people. When you ever see Marcia look so here, tell me the honest God Almighty truth. Swear upon a picnic life whether you're not enemy or you're not neutral or you're not Plankatarian. Tell me the God Almighty truth. When you ever see Marcia look dressing looking like this here, coordinated colors and looking official, look at it. Look on the woman's shoes. Blend right back in her skirt and her blouse. Look on her blouse, blend right back with her bag. This is from 2016. And Marcia keep talking about Dana can't dress and Dana. And as I said to the people who might just come in on social media, who go up on Dana Instagram page. And go run back from about 10 years ago. Before any of you know Dana in a social media. So this is not a putting on thing. This is a thing where Dana used to look on the woman dressing and coordination of colors. This is like Dana must say I come from her. This was a dog what she said love her. Must say her neighbor dog. With text said pan her. Come at the gate and go out herself when she ready but she pass off you know. Look on the dressing the people. The dressing me really highlight you know. And this woman I said Dana can't dress and when me go back and go in a Dana archive and see how Dana coordinate her color code and dressing. No one back of Fandango's color like the rainbow just to carry off her ugly face. You understand? You have to in this one bag of rainbow color to carry off your ugly face. Look on Dana that Janet does normal coordination of color. Look at it. This is 9 years ago. And I can bet you, if you're going to your archive, because I see you going in your archive and give some throwback picture. When I did screenshot some of them where you talk about Jesse, I have to laugh to caca-clat. I have to laugh. In at the same time when you cuss, when Miss Richie did pass off and you cuss latest about the slippers, you should wear some throwback. And when I look at one slippers, I see where come to Jamaica. And I have to say, Jesus Christ, look on the slippers, and she cuss latest about slippers. You're just in them coming like back in the days when Jim Brown them run show. When the Godfather them in the 60s. And you call them the dressing. Comparing to the woman here, so 2016 coordination of colors and well put together. Look at the woman, man. Wow. Now come out and come talk about no dressing. Because your archive alone are going to let you down.
Just like you and the others of people, you're out here for the money, dirty girl. So you could have stay over there.
You're out here for it, but you not make it here. Of course, who will get it.
Never hear your name yet. Pan Jamaican pantomime.
Your
So
jealousy.
when you over there try to give jokes, honey,
Your jealousy. You're a big entertainer, comedian, celebrity. We not hear you do that neither. Chynn never come out and come tell us that she's a celebrity or she's a comedian. Chynn never tell us that Tyler Perry, Oliver Samuels, or none of them she bother, none of them were in a acting, or none of them never ever call her yet, or she ever interested in doing anything like that yet. You are the one show a lot of interest, and you have not toured none of these places that you're talking about. So this only show you how jealousy is of the potential that you see this young miss have. That is it, you know. You see the potential in yourself where this young miss have. That's why you keep speak of it at all times. You come on your platform because your sister she have potential. But she did not tell you her interest lies there. Did she ever tell you that she come out and put any effort to get herself into any comedy? You are the one who are ball at about Oliver Samuels and when name bad boy Trevor for link you up. Are you me here on your platform of ball saying for link you up, you know? Because you want I not try remind I must say Oliver Samuels should have try to remind, oh remember when me and you this and Miss Name and I'll know till they go Tyler Perry. And you're not a tour. Chynn never tell us that she want to go away. Chynn tell us that she's interested in acting or comedy. Eh?
no bother with it. You're still just like my granny piss pot from back in the days. You're not ready yet. Your blood clot name not important out here. You know what the big deal out here? No other than the one and only blood clot massive.
Watch it make a pick. Watch it make a pick pan you. Make a
and me make you left. You were blood
shake it,
clot
pan.
stuff
Shake it.
at 8,000 to 7,000 when I call your name. And when I address you and come over there and start and you did go out with your fuck and me cuss you. You in 2 weeks you reach the 10,000 and you come out and I celebrate.
Lie you tell. Lie you tell. Lie you telling. It's a skills set and the capability of articulating and putting her videos together in a humorous way. So at the same time, she cannot talk the truth and make it be dramatic where people can also get a laugh. Is one of the things why people take on to Chynn. 2, she get a lot of shout out over Ashanti and stuff like that. Even before the shout out over Ashanti, when she do the ads for Auntie Dana and so people take on to it and people come over. You play no part in that. The only part you might play is the video that we should do on you. And you is not the one that cause that. Because if you are do your own video and nobody now subscribe to you. So you come out here, come tell we say, you make money when you can't make money for yourself. So it's a shout out that we should get over Ashanti. The ads that we should do for the party for Dana. And how she articulate her old videos and make them be dramatic. Or when she's seriously talking about something. You have nothing to do with Chynn reaching over 10,000. Look how long me a talk about you come out against me and me can't reach 10,000. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. How long it take you that you have to shut down your main channel. Forget your backup channel to where you want it. Monetized position. When you shut down your backup channel, you know how long you're on 700 subscribers and can't reach 1,000. And you have to shut down your backup channel to do that. So if your name did so good out here, you wouldn't have to shut down your main channel, you know, just to get your backup channel going, you know. Oh, you know a name out here and what people do with your name out here.
Me have millions and I ad watch me every month. You don't have a million and ad watch you every month. View your page. Facebook tell me that. So you, me
A
never
2 times now she make me get up off the comeback people. Jesus, where man said just a while ago. And she smart, she make sure go Facebook because she knows say Facebook not really. Me never even know she probably find that in a Facebook. Which part of them can't tell you how Wait name there you have, how much views you have. But people, look at this now. Marcia opened this page from 2024. See there? October. The 26th of October 2024. She has been using this page now, where she depend now, for what? Over a month and add now, soon 2 months now. And if Marcia earn millions of views, which she not depend on Facebook. I recently, me see she go over Facebook back from one day. And I most the pictures and them something that she posts. And Marcia they over here so for nearly 2 months now. And Marcia just have 257,809 views. See that? 257,809 views. Which part you get millions of views come from, Marcia? You don't know figures, Marcia. Marcia, you don't know figures. Let me show you figures, Marcia. Let me show you figures what you talk about. Marcia, see figures here? These are figures where you talk about millions. This is 4.571091. 4,571,091 views this me get. This channel opened the 10th of January 2022. So to 2023 is 1 year. 2024, 2 years. Just 3 years and couple months now. And me not a celebrity out here, me not a body out here. You understand? Me a one little dirty foot YouTuber out here. We just a try something. Me not have no celebrity status. Me not have no qualities of being a actor. Me not no comedian. Me not nothing at all. And this is 4,571,091 views, Marcia. And if you are getting so much views on Facebook where you hardly use, a YouTube you use, and you just have 257,000 views and you get millions a month, millions a month over Facebook. That you saying, you get millions a month views over Facebook. So, what we now? At the 8th month we now? January, February, March, April, May, June, July. The 7th month we now. So, you're supposed to gain, put it at a flat rate at 7 million views already on Facebook. Be a lie itself. All Facebook you want to tell lie upon. Maybe I try to find the original page what I can't find because I say hide them hide it.
See you yet, one thing. Me never see you in a pan. Me never see you.
We never see you at none of those places either.
I ask you if you come join no comedian out here. Big pussy Chynn and you be a chat to. You are come and talk about how you don't fight battle. It's not yours. Them blood clot dirty suck with gyal. Then how you come and cuss me off she when me talk things. It's not your blood clot battle. Leave it alone. Dear Alicia, big up to sister Alicia and now we call Alicia Lisa Hannah. Lisa Hannah say if you back is that fool, not supposed to pick up it. This because she's me listen to her, you know, because she's a motivational person. So that's me says a blood clot hypocrite. Oh you take up mine. And over your page I cuss me every day. And when old people out here I dip up on their anti-blood clot, you know say nothing. All of a sudden, with your hypocrite self, you could talk about said you know fight people back when people that trouble you. So me trouble you bitch ass dirty girl? Have I ever trouble you?
I help you out here, look man. You look help out here because as me say you get caught between a rock and a hard place. You want people to come out here now if you can help you. To fight your back to over this so. That is what you want.
And when you first come past social media cost me for 99. So Carol and the members only, you see how the big pussy girl hypocritical? She said she not take up for the 99 out here with her go on. Because she never trouble nobody never trouble she. That means so you don't mean 99 no blood clot good then. Only just want to ride off her coattail with her 9 blood clot followers them out there. Stop following
So the same people them we call dirty Planka and nasty Planka and all kind of name where you put upon them. Had them you call out to know if you don't follow we. United we stand and divided you fall. You're not gonna know you till you're back against the wall. United we stand and divided we fall. You're not gonna know yourself until you're back against the wall. One nation stands alone. Where you want to see to suit yourself, you go fight your battle yourself. I help you look for fight your battle with such woman. You want to see we tumble down upon such woman. We are dealing with such woman in our own ways. Not to suit you. For you to sit and laugh and say, yeah, see there, I did tell you no. I tell you no. I predicate, me telling you me a profit out here. And that you want, you know. You want people to come at toe to toe with her. For you come out here, come claim that you are a prophet. Who I deal with her, I deal with her in a freedom way how them want to deal with her. Who deal with her in the way where we deal with her like how me deal with my thing intelligent, simple. Who no want to see this? You know, I forget about video fling stone off of one me a side, you fling off of me a side. No. I fling two and me knock you in your ankle and you know so you stay put for a while. Because remember your ankle be the whole of your weight. So it's either you go out the road with 2 crutch stick or you go sit down and then push in a wheelchair or you sit down right which by you in your yard. If you have a yard. Call you me can't say if you have a yard. If you in your yard because me don't know if you have no yard.
Come right over here so we do not appropriate blood clots help us listen to the truth.
A lie.
Don't follow them.
Only you should just say a while ago? Plankas. All of them, if the situation yeah, allegation, if them no come out, them a say them a Planka blogger, and them no come out, come talk and defend, top follow them. Don't follow them. Come right over here so come sit down and listen to the truth. So I support you, look. Oh, you work hard for your charity though, but you're too late for laying foundation for your new life. You're too late. All these foundations you shall lay already. I lay foundation, you know. You want the Planka support of them. Oh, so you want them run left the woman down a country. Run left we out to say we are Planka blogger. And come to you because you're out to start charity. Cool you too. I want to with the Planka them. I don't say them dunce. But I don't think them that dunce. The only thing I can say, them love consume too much. That's the only thing. But I don't think them really that dunce. And at the same time, you don't have that little thing there. But would make them even come to support you. So it's a waste of time. Waste of time. Find another way. You have only people behind closed door, doctors and lawyers can support your charity. And you have a very rich woman you used to support over here who is also your friend now. You say it, I don't know who is the person, but you state it. So you can make sure start you off on a good footing with the rest of people them that you have behind closed door.
So she ever say if battle is not fair one. If the body not trouble and she not whatever, then oh, did I ever trouble you? Show me one video out here where I have trouble you.
Yes, you do trouble Chynn. Chynn has her platform out here, like everybody else do. And if she sees something out here and she come out here, come speak on behalf of what she see, what she believe, what she think, without disrespecting you or anybody at all she speak about, just like myself, we are free to do so. We have no affiliation with you or nobody else. Just like how you have no affiliation. And when I say affiliation, I shouldn't say affiliation because you do have affiliation. Yes, and we do have affiliation. But I mean contractual arrangement. The only contractual arrangement I have is with YouTube partnership. I have no contractual arrangement with no other YouTuber out here. So them can control, supervise and tell me what to do on my platform. Likewise, I can't tell them what to do on their platform. And if Chynn come out here and feel like dissect a video involving you or whosoever it may be in a respectful manner, and you feel like you feel offended about it and want to come out here, come speak, you have a free will to speak. But come back out here, come speak into a respectful manner also. Don't come out here into a disrespectful manner involving people, kids, and then feel like that are going to sit well with others. It's not going to sit well. And that's where you trouble, Chynn. That's where you trouble, Chynn. Because what you're going to say, Chynn, come out here and call up your name. Chynn, you're out here in the public. You're out here in social media. What people as them grows and them views and them say in whatever them see and feel fit to speak and talk about. And as I said, if they do it into a respectful manner, despite you are the one at the forefront, you can't do them nothing. But all you have to do is come back out if you want to rebut what that person said in a respectful manner on your platform and say what you have to say. You don't come out here disrespecting people, kids, and disrespecting people personal life and things that is going on, all what you don't know about. And then you're going to say you're a troubler? Yes, you're a troubler. Because whatever she come out here first and say about you, you did not come back out in a respectful manner. You come out in a very disrespectful manner because you feel like people must not talk about you, people must not see your fault, people must not see what is going on with you when you put out here and speak of it. And the lies that you come out here come tell, people must not highlight it. That is it with you, you know. But you can sit and speak of people. You have your assertion that you pass about people. So when you come out here, you speak of Shelly and Fraser frock. Just that she wear, that she getting thousands of dollars to muggle with a contract. Shelly and Fraser, they trouble you? No. When you come out here, come talk about Chrissy. Chrissy, they trouble you? All these other people that you talk about, did they trouble you? No. But you see an issue where you feel like you want to talk about and create a content about because you have a platform to do so, you come out and you do it. Just like anybody else I go see you and see whatever with you and come out, come say with them and say. It's only that we might in this diaspora, so you might hear and see. So you come out if you want to rebut and you come out respectfully. You don't come out, come disrespect people and then I talk about people trouble you or we trouble you. Then if so be the case, there's so multiple amount of people you trouble. Multiple amount of people you trouble. Even such woman who is at the forefront of this, you trouble her every day. Without she seeing you and call your name, she never remember you.
Show me one video here where I started criticize you and put you down.
So, if it's criticism you are talking about, I just speak of that. How much people you criticize out here when I look for you, they even know you.
You were stuck at
The amount of criticize, you criticize people, especially in a dress. One of the main thing I use to criticize people is how them dress. Because you always find fault of how people dress. Because you feel like you are the best dressed king, not queen. I mean, you talk about queen of this and queen. You are the best dressed king. You understand? In a social media. So that's one of the main things I use and criticize people from all over, all walks of life. People who don't know you, people who live better than you, people who can buy a frack value $1 million and not shake them. People who are wear clothes where them a get paid if you wear. You criticize them. So what about you? Why you can't stand for criticism also? You better than nobody? What for you say you do too, man?
Started to respond to you. The people them find you and go over you. And you celebrate 10,000. Talk to me.
On the road to my 10,000. So tell me that 10 times I reach it too.
How is it that you have to talk about
Because we call your name how much time I'm going to reach it how long. So when me reach, tell me say you make me reach.
To the Planka them. To the Planka them. Don't go over Chynn page. Don't go over a latest place. Don't go on Speak Your Mind. Don't go on GT Bus. Don't go on none of them.
Come over, Marcia.
Come right in the blood clot over here, so. And let me reprogram on the blood clot.
Yo!
You know, say people are my hypocrite.
Desperate measures. I don't think a Planka will ever call out a members loan if he come over them platform.
You tell me
No Planka blogger will never
yes,
call
but
out
you can't come and curse
a
me
members
and
loan if he come
like
follow
that.
them.
Hello.
Because even they on the platform and identify themselves who could have blocked them.
Come, Miss More Woman.
I don't know about nobody else, but I know about for myself.
You can't call me chinny woman, me know say your breast them are big and soft and pretty like a mine. Me know that. Me know that. Me know that.
You're
coulda
limited,
have
Marcia.
brown skin and straight nose. Me know say your breasts them though big and nice and fluffy like a
Marcia, take off the limited sign off of your van. Because you say limited edition, so the sign must depend on it. Edition, so the sign must depend on it. Take off the limited and put it in your chest off of your van. You're limited, man. You're limited. Look what the thing where you come and talk about. You never see Chynn before, you never see Chynn yet. You just might judge Chynn looks off of our picture where you see on our platform. Because Chynn said she used to show her face one time. None of those videos on our channel right now. And you never probably know Chynn them time there. So you don't know Chynn, but here still, here you compare yourself. Every day you get up and talk about your breast, your breast, your breast, your breast. From your breast go up at the best part of your body. That's why you talk about your breast so much. You never talk about the bottom half of your body, you know. And then when you reach up here, so your cheekbone and your eye spoil you. So it's not like you have even a complete look cable upstairs here, so. You don't have a complete, you spoil part of the way.
Me know that. So anybody who hope they look like a man is you. Are you? Your features look like a man. Are you look like a man? Cause me know me is all woman. Yes. And remember say your pussy stretch out. Cause you have only for children. I only have one. You have husband and freak you every night. Me
I don't stretch your one stretch out. Your one broke like a brick wall.
Every 3 weeks, every 2 months.
Your one not stretch out. Your one broke like a brick wall.
You have living in your blood clot hole like a when hands a dig nest for when rain for set up for fall. So anybody out if you trap the body is you. Yes, we feel your pussy open up like a Lincoln tunnel, America, and stretch out. So you can't talk about no good up Marcia over here. Me have to talk when me talk. I mean, I'm going to linger. I don't think y'all know I get up on my first. Right and out order. Hypocrite, you know. Hypocrite. All of a sudden, where her attention she look. She love attention. Oh me? I don't love attention. I'm a star, honey. I make contents. I'm talented. Me can act, me can sing, me can dance, me can do everything. Me can cook, me can quit the pussy.
So you see, she own all these things, you know. Where she never hear Chynn come out here come talk so she can't do and she own anything. And she not find herself in a no place. This not call her, that not call her. I don't even ever hear you on a little small backyard radio station, because right now in a life right now you have so many backyard radio station. I never ever hear you on even a backyard radio station. Me not talk a mainstream one like you don't have TVJ and you know CVM and stuff. You know, probably well it's a bit disrespectful to say Roots FM and them little station. But them little small station, I could say them little small station. I never hear you on a small station in America yet, and there is so many. And you have so much talent. For a citizen for 40 odd years, no links. What about your ties that you have? Them not have no links with nobody. Them links where them have just stay within for them where they call it no profession. So if that doctor him link just within doctors, him not have nobody out there him can link with. Oh for you so yeah. And then you come talk about you know your Chynn no way and no Chynn no way and no stage one of this. You're so good that you can't ever get to a little party for host. So much party keep in America. You're a comedian, you're this, you're that, and not even one little part, picnic party you can't get for us. Where we can see up on a flyer.
And the dick, I make it tight, I make it man come quick. Yes, me pretty, me gorgeous. Nice teeth, nice sexy lips, nice gorgeous skin, soft and nice. Nice full head of hair. Yes. Here, I'm all woman. I'm every woman. It's all in me. Anything you want done, baby, I do it naturally. Yes, me dear. I can back off my wig at any time. A man can run them fingers. Your face look like a chink in a dirty mattress. Yes, and that's what you look like. Come show me.
You know, dirty mattress though.
Come live and come and see you.
The breed of insect. You're the breed of insect, so you really know. Oh, them look. Chink in a dirty mattress. Cause you left one a woodland village, you know, one big dirty mattress.
Every day when you come past social media. Every day when you come past social media with a hypocrite self. Telling sweet lies. Just to get views. Until one day, the bucket of gone well, it is going to drop right out.
Your bucket drop out like how your crutches drop out long time.
Attention, because I not get no attention. I will always have attention. I am attention. I'm important. I love myself. Nobody now to give me attention. I give my own self attention. What I want, if I want something, I buy it. If I want any food, I go and buy it. You understand? So nobody don't want to give me attention. Or you call that attention when somebody accosts me a class me up? Then does that make a difference to me? You call that attention? Eh? Me always want so that you call attention. So me you want to come out here every day people are call me like a name. And me better than them. Eh? So me I look for them and I fight for them. Look your super chat over here so we because if the hypocrite one them cannot get super
Hustling.
Chat,
Yeah man, hustling.
Yes, so give me a super chat for
So
my
why you
brother.
pretend like an hustle like everybody
The
else?
hypocrite girl. Shame with a shame like a blood.
Stop
clot
pretending like you
dog.
not come out of a hustle like everybody else. YouTube money you don't want it. Your paycheck. Tomorrow Tuesday your paycheck fat plus your paycheck will fall right in a YouTube payment.
Figure rejuvenate your dirty crotch. Huh? Huh? That is what it is. You can't chat to me. You can't come out here and call me in a name. You got jokes, you ain't got no blood clot. You got no contents. All you walk and teach people content from TikTok to YouTube. Go create your own content for yourself. Go walk and tell your own life story.
So
How you
Chynn,
have them 3 chimpanzees.
hold on the Chynn. You hear her? Like a woman picking she go for again, but wait the Chynn. You hear she just say a while ago? All they do is walk and teach people content from YouTube to TikTok. What I tell you, say Chynn? She doing what she says she not do none at all. That simply means she watch your backup page over TikTok, over YouTube. Can me not see you post nothing over yourself with TikTok? And over there me see you post things concerning TikTok. But here say she come out here, come say she now watch and she now people send her this and a pass, she a pass, and I see she title make she stop. What you do over Chynn backup page? That you can say Chynn I take people content from TikTok. What you do over Chynn backup page? You lie itself. Anyway, you like how eat the woman picking them, yeah?
You pick the way you have.
I tell you.
I will for man you take way. And that if you go do. And how much you dash for before you get them there. And that if you go do. That is what if you go do. Go find contents. You don't have nothing. You come out here act like on a bright, on a dunce, no blood clots. Or they might think we have a little subject, but we don't have no subject because see them don't have blood clot, get no good work. We have to come past social media, go and live off a mass here, other people. So if we no subject and no education, they get to no anywhere.
So right now, let me ask you a question, Master. So if a man did have him subject and him bright, and him going to office under pressure, where him know say him have to do boss work, CEO throw things upon him desk, say him to do this. And him need to get back this inventory by now and today our Monday by now and Friday. And when you look on the inventory, what am I going to do? Whole heap of things are accountants. Depends on what position you have. And you getting even say 200, 300,000 a month off of that job. Just saying, you know. And me can come out here, come sit down right now in front of my phone. Wake up out of my bed just like an hour ago. Relax a bit and come out here now on my phone. And when me come out here on my phone, me now no stick over my back. Me now nobody tell me say me need to make sure me get them here to the office by now on Tuesday. Me now nobody tell me say yo me need them here, you know, them inventory you need to go in by now on Thursday. You need to write up the order for Rexway and I tell me all kind of things if you do. Me just sit down easy and do this. He might get 200 to 300,000 and when me look me I say alright. At the end of the month, me can get even 200,000 without all those things over my back by just sitting down here. And when me done the video, me upload it and me have all the rest of the day for myself. Which one better, Marcia? If you go out there, go sit down in the office Because with that pen you use or your finger you use, you know, on the computer, you know, it can give your finger whitler. So tell me which one better, Marcia. You come out here and fret about people. Look on the life where you are live now. I see a video circulate when I get up. And when I see the video, I think over Ashanti I see it, yes. Where you claim to say you take out your son for dinner. I don't know if it's a long time video or a recent video. But my point is, whether it's a long or a recent video, you claim to say you have to buy your son something for him come spend some time with you. Or for you can't take him out. You have to buy something. You buy love from your pitney, you know. You have buy love from your pitney. You have to buy my sneakers before him accept an invitation to go out with you. Each time you have to buy him something. What kind of mother they love that? No love, no they so. Your pitney not love you. Me see you go as far as you beg CJ if you say I in the camera. CJ say hi to the people them. CJ in front of the plate of food. Let me take off my cap. I want to go to the impression when him give. CJ in front of the plate of food. And she say hi CJ, say hi to the people them. And CJ take about 5 seconds before him hold up even him head that she go to take away the camera. And when she realize him hold up him head, she put back the camera. And CJ just barely goes so like him hand starch, like him hand stiff. Him just goes so 2 times. And put on back him hand. Like the hand starch and going on oven it stiff. You know, like you like that, hi, you know, happily say, no. CJ take 5 seconds before him answer to the, say hi to the people them. That me say she go take with the camera. And when she see him rise up him edge, she carry on back the camera. And say hi to the people them. CJ just go so. With the stiff hand. Buy love from your pitney and you want people out here to love you. Eh? Just look at it. You come out of your, speak out of your mouth, say you have to buy your pitney something before him can come out, come have a day or a couple hours with you before you can take him out. That sound good to you? And that you come out here come and tell the public and then we come out here come talk and elaborate on these things. You make it look like say we come out here come chat your business when you chat your business because of content. Running down social media money where you say you don't want because you have your paycheck getting every Tuesday morning in your account. You come out here talk your personal business and I make yourself look bad.
Life, you don't have to come past social media, come sit down like a big pussy, like a market, a coronation market, and a trouble people. Eh? You should have used your education and motivate the Jamaican young girls instead of coming on social media being like a big pussy hole, girl, Chynn. You may attack. So we don't have the soap.
There is so many things happening in America for the past month and a half. Me not hear you come and elaborate on the flooding down at Texas and the whole issue with the Mexican them coming across the help and what happened to them. Me not hear you come and talk about that. Me not hear you talk about the flooding down in New Jersey. Me not hear you talk about that. And long before that, me not hear you talk about the whole heap of demonstration that did go on between people from different country in the whole United States, in a different state. Me not hear you talk. So why you want to tell people what to talk about in Jamaica? You know what to talk about, but you don't want to talk about it in your own country where you there? With so many more things that happen than in Jamaica? Who you to?
Stands on the valley around here. You don't know a role model. Me, blood clot, master, ever bless a role model around here.
You're not a role model, you're a road. You're a road model, not role model.
Because
Road.
all of the want to do is scrape for yourself. Scrape for yourself. So when you come here, I can call people down, so that call your education now put in no blood clot way. More if a girl have education and myself pussy all over social media. Eh? Because them don't have no job. No job, no that Jamaica for them. So now come talk about who done and who not do this and who not do that. Because the brightest of the brightest, depend where the place name? Where the place name where they go sell pussy and show up them pussy on a page there? And where name? And where name? Where the one where the girl gone pan? The girl with the baby. Where gone pan? Where gone pan? Where the one they gone pan?
You can't go up on OnlyFans.
So you don't access for the education could have carried nowhere.
You can't go up on OnlyFans.
Social
OnlyFans that for lockdown if you go up on it.
Only fans. You know more. And that no come past social media, say sell no pussy. Set them on social media and go on like una somebody.
But you are giving your one free. You have to pay man to buy your buy. I buy your buy man when man should have buy you. You are buy man when man should have buy you. You know see you give your one free and have to pay feet same time. Pay for what you get. Bumbo old blood clot, girl. Me hear you mention come talk about say me must worry about winter which part me you live. You must worry about where you forget for your blood clot money for mind your man and you pick them. Then who should for mine? Your mind a man where him care me put you up. Your mind a man who can't do nothing for you. So what when she mind a man where our baby father? I mean a businesswoman. And you feel worry about your status. If rainy day. Business what? Business what? So you stay there sit down and worry about me. Are you fear afraid you know? See Texas flood over there, then New Jersey. You feel wonder if I reach by you the next. No fret of Jamaica, you always are going like you want to call down disaster upon Jamaican people. You feel fret. You feel fret more than we see signs there. Flood of New Jersey, flood of Texas. You don't know if you next. Every time you come out here, you go like you want to call down disaster upon Jamaican and Jamaican people. I don't worry about your blood clot self. What you know about me? Eh? Dirty blood just as much as you know about anybody else. And one bomber clot time you ever hear when we move out of Woodland Village. You understand? Me, come out of Woodland Village. Me is the one who come out of Woodland Village. You understand? Who should I tell that? So I force to come out there, man. What kind of situation me about? How can you come out of somewhere, people, willingly, when you never have nowhere else to go? Come make a reason, make it make sense. You come out of somewhere and have nowhere else to go, somewhere where a little shelter over your head can shelter you from cold and rain. If me live in a fall cup over there, so, and even half fight a leak, and even hands and roach take me not have nowhere else to go. At least I take off night dew off for me and it I take off sun and all kind. Me I go and stay there till me get somewhere to go. You never have nowhere to go, master, when you come out of Woodland Village. I force out of Woodland Village, you know. Force out of Woodland Village. And the thing about it, them say certain things have to happen if things happen. So eventually, you know, you end up get somewhere to stay where you have to go dig out the little balance so you have in your account and go in the marriage, go live. Borrow money from your sister because of your condition, then lend you because whenever you're deep, desperate condition, probably you won't get it because you and them not live good like that. And that you have to talk about. Oh, boy, you left Woodland Village. Why you left Woodland Village? You're forced to come out. From me come out of Woodland Village, me I live like a blood clot movie star. You can't live like me. You could have a 6 blood clot bedroom at Jamaica, your bubble clot girl. You can't live like me. None of you on Facebook can't live like Marcia. Me now ask Christ. You could have one 10-bedroom over your blood clot in Jamaica. Your bumbo clot can't live like me. None of you. None of you can't live like me. We are chatting on social media. None of you not treat yourself and can't live like me. Me live like a blood clot movie star. Me now ask you. Me, Marcia Campbell. None of you know where you chat me. Where you pay mortgage, you pay house, can't blood clot live because I don't stress out no bumbo clot. Me now ask you now. None of you can't live like me. What me do, you can't do. Because I want to tie down with marriage, I want to tie down with bill, I want to tie down with blood clot people when I even go high school later and college. So you are running from responsibility and I put your stress on other people. That is it, you know. You hear the type of responsibility that you're running from? The necessary responsibilities in life you're running from. But the one if you go each up and buy one plate of food for you and your man for $75, $85, $60, crab leg, this, that, it's no problem to you. If you go buy dicky from the man, no problem. If you go buy him boot and clothes to make him dress how you want him to dress, no problem. But the things which have substance in a life, you don't want those responsibilities. Free. My pitney big and grown ass man. Me take care of my blood class self. None of
Uno can't live like me on social media. Uno could have cussed me like a blood clot. None of uno can't live like me. Me live my life just like a movie star where God give to me. And uno can't live like me. So nobody come tell me about house and car. Fuck house and car. Me have my big nice truck right there, so. And me can go anywhere. Tomorrow morning if me want. Me can call one hairline and say, take me to blood clot Paris and come back and you keep the clot can do it.
And how often can you, what you know about Chynn? How often can you do that?
Me can't go to Jamaica right now. So you know what? So even if me never, me say me not have no job and you say, me winter come. Me just take out my blood clot money to a bank account and go to my brother's house. A Manchester. In 4-bedroom up there. And live like a blood clot and go to Jamaica and go to beach every day and them and come right back up. What you gonna do about it? You cannot live, you cannot beat me out here. Might as well not go and put no bubble clot business. Me know, yes, me just pop me just go away. Yes, me not have nowhere to live in the winter, according to you. But me money where in the bank account, all me have to do. Me not have nowhere. Me just go away for the winter and come back. Because if me go to Jamaica now, me a blood clot millionaire. Me a go live worse like a star down there.
Cuss.
Me party for the whole winter. Step on beach and yam fish and go all over the place until me ready to come right back blood clot.
She got Jamaica now, she a millionaire. You know why she said that? The other day she do a video claim say she have $1 million Jamaican out here. What is $1 million Jamaican, Marcia? Party and this, and at least you don't drink nothing still. So that are the thing. But what is $1 million Jamaican? I remember now, for you broke $1 million, is no more a millionaire. And you don't have no money to come in no other way. So if you for lose all this, you can walk you're looking at for Harry right now, I'm sorry for you going right back in a shell like snail. All of them are big talk you have. You can't have them no more because you're only having these big talk now, you know. Because you get a weekly salary. But then when you don't even know if a sheet I go sell. You couldn't have them here up a big chat here. You live like the fly and the roach and the rat them where you breed up. And so you end up live. Because you don't know when a sheet I go sell and you have no other income. And that's why you used to have to cost the people them say them not give you and them not this. And when somebody send 130 or 150 star coming like nothing to you because that can buy nothing for you. Somebody send you $5 US or $10 US, you know, grateful feet because you want to see 20 and 30 up. Could you too? Because you know $20 can buy even 2-day meal. Move! Crab louse like you.
Who you talking to? You're bright. Uno bombo clot go on like you know about Marcia. Know about who? One little something happen 2 years. How many people ever get eviction notice? How many people ever get eviction notice in their life in America? I'm the only person who get eviction. Me never get no eviction notice. Me never evicted from your house. Me come out. Me pay my bills, me come out. Me pay
You
what me
ask
pay
how
and
many
come out. Me
people
never
get, but
nothing.
then at
Where
the
you
same
take
time
this
you
thing
say you don't get none.
me live in America all my life. Me never catch nobody. Me have own a place. Who you think you're talking to? They're gonna can't shame me out here. Move on a dirty underprivileged Negro blood clot from your go. Dirty girl Chynn. You may a chat to. Go and suck your man dead wood. And that's what you do. And see if you can't get one of the bastard pitney. Cause it look like your man now fuck you.
Chynn, tell her if you carry her throat come. Make him left it down there and gag her throat with it. What she say though? How she know that? Anyway, make she carry her throat come. But probably your man never want that the throat the Chynn. That the throat they come like a muffler pipe. I don't think your man that want that the throat they always film something. You know? Cause that the throat they come like a whole BMC muffler pipe. Yeah, me not it black up, for your throat black up.
The night time. That's where you come to live on social media. You need a good fuck under your blood clot. They look like when you come on blood clot social media behave like that. And because no bumbo clot man now fuck social and now mine on a blood clot pitney. When you come on social media, open up 2, 3, 4 page and want to come antagonize people and live on people because we no blood clad happy, tied down with bumbo clad pitney and blood clad bills. And when you see Marcia free and going to a restaurant, 7 blood clot a day, have made service swimming pool, every blood clot under my foot. We don't want to come take out to no bumbo clot crosses, trials and pussy clot tribulation for me. Go ahead, dirty girl. You been blood clot serve around here. If me I walk bumbo clot hobby, and that if you do. Jesus Christ is my hobby. What no thing say? My God was going to sit down on social media and make no slaughter me every day and him not confuse up the blood clot camp around here. You don't think him not gonna stir up it? That's for sure. Who no say karma can't take on any blood clot time. That's right. Who no thinks that Satan is going to reign forever and ever? No. No. Let me stay here. The black girl a little better than uno. Me not ask you no. Me can't come out here and look anyhow. See me come out here with my natural hair. See my natural hair. A pick me wanna have out there cocker eye. And because we not see them how them look. Some of them big and we are 300 blood clot pound. Go and look on down no pussy and see if you not see no tongue. Long, one flap gone. So
Anyways, people, man, family, we come to the end of another video, you know. Why am I say I really want laughing stock out here? People, bless up on yourself, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads, continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me up on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. And please remember to support the merch. Check out the website of Charms and Trends, that shop. When you support the merch, you help me to continue to support the needy and not the greedy. Bless up on yourself. Peace out.